folks, it's me again. Apparently there's somebody in my driveway. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friend. This video, I think I seen another channel do a year in review, and I'm not even really sure. I've been on here, 3 going on 4 years? It says I've been on 5, but I signed up on YouTube a long time ago, so doesn't count. I think it's 4 years. Some of my I have a bunch. I should make I'm gonna make a list of all the most watched videos and the most unwatched videos and all that stuff, and I'll go through it. And I was thinking of doing a year-end review or a 4-year review or whatever. I know people always do this stuff just for fun. I know I have like 1.2 million views. I'm not a big YouTuber. I don't have a million. I wish I had enough viewers just to get enough, maintain 4,000 watch hours, and people would be, look at his videos. But apparently I'm in a niche that doesn't get a lot of people. I mean, I could, if I had like these cool projects and stuff, but I'm kind of like the, I don't know, maybe I'm the boring YouTube channel, who knows, but I like doing what I'm doing. For the people who subscribe to my channel, I have to say thank you, because, it's awesome. I mean, I have 1,961 subscribers. I gained 3 this week. People are enjoying some of my videos. Some people don't like my videos. I don't know. I don't care. I mean, I do this because it's fun. It's me letting you peek into my world in my garage, and the rest of my world, well, you're not allowed. But I like tools. I like doing stuff, and who knows? Maybe my kids will be like, "Hey, look, that is on video." Sometimes they go on YouTube like, "Hey, look, your video came up," and it's so weird. It's so weird to when I'm on someone else's computer and I see a video that's mine, and I'm like, don't look at it. Just like ignore it. Or then somebody comes into my store and like, "Hey, I seen you on YouTube." The craziest part was I went to the border and like, "You have a YouTube channel?" And I'm like, yeah. They're like, "Oh, I was watching your videos." This is customs. I go to commercial customs, and the lady's like, "I was watching your videos," and I'm like, okay, that's interesting. So if border people are watching my videos, thanks for watching. Watch the whole video. I get I get watch time. And some of the stuff that I do bring to the border is the stuff that's in this garage. I declare it all because I don't need to go to jail. I don't have nothing. I don't bring in illegal shit. And I don't. I'd rather spend time in my garage than in jail. And I tell them, if I got a $200 tool, hey, it's here. You want to charge me? Charge me. Go ahead. I don't give a shit. Just pay the money. It's still cheaper than buying it in Canada. So I do have to figure out how to. I would like to figure out how to import a 3-wheeler, because why would I import a 2-wheeler? Or a 4-wheeler. I would like to import one, just to try. Apparently I can bring it in pieces, but it has to be like literally in parts. So I'd have to like take the front end off, bring it one trip, and maybe just bring the rear end, or take the motor out. I'd probably have to do that while I'm at camp, because I'd have to like take the motor out, leave it at camp in the front end, take the mid part section out, bring it, and just bring it back in pieces. It could be done. But I'd rather bring the whole bike. So, and with that said, I should do a year in review weekly, go through some statistics and write stuff down so people can, you can sit there and listen to me blab some more. So anyway, I will do that. So thanks for watching, Tools. Just a little blurb in case you want to hear stuff. And lately, I feel bad because lately I have nothing exciting going. I'm not recording myself doing plumbing because I suck at it. I'm not recording myself doing electricals. I'm not an electrician, but I make sure I do things right. I don't do anything. If I don't know what I'm doing, I don't do it. If I have a problem, I call an electrician, and I also ask the electrician to come and check out what the work I do. So it's all legit. Plumbing, my father's always said cold. The water pipes go one way, and I did the drain to code, which is like the drain has to be down like. You should see my first house. I did the drain. It's like literally, it's like this, and I think the proper flow thing is like 1/8 inch per foot. So I got it pretty good. I gotta cut the end pipe down 4 inches. So that's it. But it was put in like quick, just so we can install a toilet, and then after we're next door is the bathroom. Now we got 2 toilets. The washer, the dryer, vanity sink, shower, another vanity, utility sink, other sink. Now we just got a shower and a rear master bedroom sink. I did the outdoor spouts. And I love PEX. You just click, 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 and there's about a 99.9% chance that it doesn't leak, and it's all good. So yeah, I will hop on that, but maybe I do have some other projects that I want to finish that I make videos, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm babbling now. So thanks for watching, Toodles, and stay tuned.